Hey guys, Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how to paint this ornament. I'm going to be using this soft pink color and a number 12 flat, and just going in and kind of adding these little almost flower camouflage shapes, and then I'm going to outline that pink with peony. Just kind of base coat it, and then once it's base coated, I'll go in and start blending the two colors together. And then after this, I'm going to go in and add Honky Tonk Red, which is the brighter red. And then after that, I'm going to go in and add Barn Red, which is the deeper red. And then again, just blend all of these together, kind of where they meet. Then I'll be using Savannah Mist for the top of the ornament. And then I'm just going to let everything dry completely and then go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. I'll also use a Sharpie marker to go in and do some lettering on it. You could definitely swap the marker for vinyl if you wanted to do lettering that way and make it easier on you, but this marker does help for sure when doing lettering. And then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color cotton and highlight everything, and that will complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.